This is your South Florida market update for July 2023. Everything you need to know. This is Vito with the Vito and Anna team, giving you the experience you deserve. Whether you're looking to buy or sell, here's some helpful information from Florida realtors that you need to know. Sales of existing homes fell modestly in July, while sales prices remained consistent with last year's values. High interest rates this summer have continued to slow down the growth of home prices. Today, we'll be focusing on data for single-family homes in South Florida. That's Miami Dade, Broward, and Palm Beach counties. As it stands, we continue to be in a seller's market. The median home price in July of 2023 was $605,000. That's 1.7% increase from the same time last year. Closed sales for July 2023 have declined 8% over the same time last year, and actually declined 15% from the data we shared with you last month. I would speculate that the continued rise in interest rates has something to do with the month-over-month change, and I would be interested to see what the data looks like for the next few months. July 2022, buyers typically paid 100% or more of the asking price of a property, as compared to July of 2023, where they have a little bit more leverage and we're seeing about a 97% purchase price compared to the list price of the home. Just like last month, the median time to contract was 23 days, a little bit more than double what it was a year ago. South Florida, with many international buyers, has a cash-centric buyer pool. Of the 3,100-ish homes sold in July, 1,100 were cash deals. That's 30% of homes sold closing without a mortgage. This was on par with last month, but slightly down from the same time last year. Supply continues to be a challenge. In July of 2023, we saw 3 months supply of inventory as compared to 2.7 months at the same time last year. In fact, month supply of inventory has been relatively flat since July of 2022, hovering around 3 months. And what's contributing to the continued supply challenges? You might have heard of the golden handcuffs. 92% of homeowners are locked in at a mortgage rate of below 6%, and 62% of homeowners are locked in at a mortgage rate below 4%. Right now, every homeowner who moves takes on a higher mortgage interest rate. As a result, most people who don't have to move are not moving. We're still very much in a seller's market, but we're a long way from the 1.3 months of inventory that we had in January of 2022. Remember, a balanced market will lie anywhere between 4 and 6 months of inventory. It's still very much a seller's market with 3 months of inventory. However, we've come a very long way from the January 2022 low of 1.3 months of inventory before we started to see interest rates go up. South Florida sellers still have the upper hand due to the lack of inventory. However, buyers are definitely much more selective. Be sure to price your home to sell. If you're interested in understanding the data for a particular neighborhood and what it means to you, please reach out. We would love to hear from you. Thanks again for tuning in to another market update. Don't forget to like, subscribe, or comment. We'll see you next time.